all of you concentrate here. The question is the probability density function of variate x is, they have given the question, they will give this table x and px value they have given. So x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and p of x is they have given as k, 3k, 5k, 7k, 9k, 1 upon 11k and 13k. Fine. So in this we need to find the value of p of x less than 1, and we need to find the answer of p of x greater than or equal to 5. So next, p of x greater than 3 but less than 6. See, I will explain here. P of x less than 4 means p of x less than, this is a 4, less than 4, which all values are there? 0, 1, 2, 3 are there. If p of x greater than or equal to 5 means you have to include 5. 5 and 6 comes under what here? P of x greater than or equal to 5. Next is p of x less than 3 but it is x is greater than or equal to 3 but less than or equal to 6. Greater than, strictly greater than means 3 will not come, 4, but less than or equal to 6 means 4, 5, 6. These are the explanation of this question we need to find. So before this we need to find the value of k, then we can find these results. Now next, what will be the minimum value of k so that p of x less than or equal to 2 which is greater than 3 we need to find here. Now just see here. So given table you have to copy as it is. Now this is a probability distribution. So this probability distribution is valid. The probability distribution is valid if our p of x should greater than or equal to 0, and second condition we know that summation of p of x should be what here? 1. So but p of x, these p of x means these are the values. So k, we don't know whether k is positive or negative. We'll check here. If second condition satisfies, this also will satisfy here. So therefore now, so based on this we can write it here. So if if k is greater than or equal to 0 means if it is positive, then only these two conditions satisfies. Now so I want to take summation of p of x is equal to 1. So which is nothing but what is left hand, summation of p of x means all left hand side, means we need to add these all, that is k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k is equal to right hand side what we have 1, you write 1. So add all k's and just see how many k's you will get. You will get completely all term having k's. So if you add these all k's, you will get 49k is equal to 1. So from this we will get the value of k. K will be 1 upon 49. Now you check, you apply the values of k here and see that if you replace the value of k, then you will get the value as 1 here finally. Okay, so therefore means this condition will satisfy if you replace the value of k here. So we got the value of k. So with the help of this value of k, we will find the first result, that is find p of x less than 4, second one is x greater than or equal to 5, and third case is what here, x greater than 3 but less than or equal to 6. We will see first and second case here one by one. Now first result, in that we'll see first is p of x less than 4. This first will solve. if p of x less than 4, it means here less than 4 means here which all probability will come. So p of less than 4 means who all will come, just see the table. So here strictly less than 4 means who all will come here, 0 1 2 3 will come, means we have to write like that, p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. So therefore p of 0 means p of 0 is what here, k, plus p of p of 1, what answer we have here, 3k, plus p of 2 according to table it is 5k, p of 3 how much we have, 7k. Check how much it will be. If you add that all k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k will get 16k is equal to, okay, we'll get what here, 16k total. It is answer of p of x less than 4, which is nothing but 16 into the answer of k, we got it at 1/49. So therefore answer is 16/49. So it is of answer of p of x less than 4. Next, second, in this we need to find p of x greater than or equal to 5. So p of x greater than or equal to 5, according to the table it is p of 5 plus p of 6, only we have 2. So p of 5 is how much here, it is 11k, and p of 6 is 13k. So which is nothing but 11 plus 13 is nothing but how much here, 24k. So which is nothing but 24 into 1/49. So answer is 24/49. So in this only, the next one is we need to find p of x strictly greater than 3 but less than or equal to 6. Strictly greater than 3 means we have to leave 3. So we start with p of 4, p of 5, and less than or equal to 6 means we have to include 6. So p of 4 from the table is k, sorry 9k, p of 4 from the table is 9k, p of 5 is 11k, and p of 6 is 13k. So therefore addition of this 9 plus 11 plus 13 will be how much here, 33k, which is nothing but 33/49, because k value is 1/49. Now the second one they have given what here, what will be the minimum value of k, so we need to find p of x less than equal to 2, which is greater than, you just make correction here, it is 0.3. okay, in the question also I have made correction, it is 0.3, you have to be clear. So here, so first we will find p of x less than or equal to 2. So now, so p of x less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 2 means how many, which all will come here. So here it will come p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 also will come, because less than or equal to 2 they are telling means we have to take these 2 also. So p of 0 answer we know that it is k, p of 1 according to the table is 3k, and p of 2 according to the table is 5k, which is nothing but, so it will become 9k. okay, so answer of p of x less than or equal to 2 is what here, 9k. And now they are asking whether the value of k will be minimum or no. What is the value of k for this value? So now this 9k, what means answer of this 9k, whether it is greater than 0.3 or k is nothing but what here we'll consider as what here greater than 0.3 upon 9. So which is nothing but k is greater than 1 upon 30. So therefore you have to conclude it that thus minimum value of k is how much here 1 by 30. This is the end of the problem.